the image component. So I'm creating one image component.js file here. Okay, so let's import required component, then we need to import React. Okay, so let's create the class component for image component, which extends from React component. Okay, and then we have to add one render method which return some UI components. Okay, so first of all I'm adding one parent view here. Let's create styles object, style sheet, create. Okay, I'm creating one style for the parent view, that is container flex1, background color with white. Okay, justify content because I am adding some content here. This will be to the center, and line items to the center. Okay, let's add style here, styles.container. Okay, so let's render this component. So same, we need to import this component from some component path. Let's replace text component with image component. Okay, so it's get rendered. Now I'm adding image component here. So image. Okay, so first of all I need to style this component. I'm adding width, grade, height, 100. Okay, give style to this component. Image, let's enter these. Okay, so next I have to set some image for these image components. So I need some source. So that source will be the local source or the remote source. Okay, so first of all we check how we can use the local image for this image component. Okay, so let's add one image here. I am adding this logo. Okay, so add source to this image component. Source required, then we need to add some path. So path will be Okay, so we require to add a path to the project, assets dot logo dot png. Okay, so I have added one local asset to this image component. Let's save it. So you can able to see this logo icon here. Okay, so let's try to add some more image component with other format. So I am using this motion image GIF. Okay, so let's add here F. Let's try to view this also. Okay, so I am able to see this GIF also into the image component. Okay, so in this fourth component, what we are doing, that we are using the local assets, but for one is PNG and one is GIF to render into the image component. Okay, so the next we're trying to render the image into the image component by using some source, means the URL. Okay, so let's add URL here. So in this URL we required one URL in which it contain the image. Okay, so I have one URL for this. Okay, so let's paste here and save. Okay, so you can able to see the third component which I have fetched from this URL. Okay, and there is a third way in which we can able to load data as an image. Okay, for that we have to do same, but inside the URL we will load some image data. Okay, just save it and you can able to see the image here. So in this way, in image component we can load the local assets, okay, or the assets that is available into some URL, and we can able to use we can able to load image data into the image. Thank you.